Hello friends, welcome to this video. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about how to create PDF files within PHP. So let's start. Friends, for creating PDF files within PHP, we need to use a library called FPDF. So this is a PHP class which allow us to create PDF files in PHP. Okay, so here F stands for free. So this FPDF is freely available, so you can download it and you can use it for any kind of usage, and you can also modify the given code as per your requirement. Friends, this FPDF class do not require any extension. So it only need zlib to enable for compression and GD support for GIF creation. Otherwise it do not require any kind of extension. So first of all, you need to download the FPDF class from the official website, and then we will try to see an example how to use FPDF for creating PDF within PHP. Friends, now I will try to show you how you can download FPDF class from its official website. So open your browser and search for FPDF. Friends, this is the website which you need to visit, fpdf.org. This is the official website of FPDF library. So here on left side you can see downloads. Now choose the latest version, that is 1.83, and click on this zip link. So I will extract this file here first of all. Now within this folder you will find tutorials, and importantly you will find this fpdf.php file. So this file we will need to include within our PHP script for creating PDF file. So I will copy this directory within htdocs. So within XAMPP under htdocs I will paste the FPDF 183 directory. Okay, now we will try to understand how we can use this FPDF library for creating PDF files. So here first of all I will try to include the fpdf.php file within this script. So in order to do this I will use require function. Here we need to pass the path of fpdf.php file. So it is available within htdocs fpdf 183 directory. So I will write here fpdf 183 / fpdf.php. Okay, now we will be able to use this FPDF class for creating and for using PDF files within this script. So first of all we need to create the object of FPDF class. So how to create object in PHP? So write down your object name like PDF is equal to new FPDF. This is our class name, and this new will allow us to allocate memory for this object. Okay, so here we have created object of FPDF class. Okay, now friends, after creating this object we simply need to invoke various functions or methods that are available within FPDF class. Okay, so first of all we will try to add one page for adding some data to PDF. So in order to add page we will call add page method of FPDF class. So I will write $pdf, that is object, and we will call add page method. So this will simply add one page to our PDF. Now after adding page we need to set font. So I will write PDF and I will try to include a method called setFont. Now here this requires font name, like Arial I can specify, some formatting option you can specify like bold, italic, underline, then font size, let's say 20. Now we have set font for our PDF, and in order to add some text within our PDF we need to use a function called cell. So I will write PDF cell. Now here we need to specify the XY coordinates where our text will get appear. So I will write coordinates, X position 50, Y position 100, and after that we need to write the text which we want to display within PDF. So here I will write hello PDF demo. This text we want to display. Okay, and after that now we want to display our PDF. So I will write PDF and the function which we will use, that is output. This function requires two parameters, file name and the download option. So here we will specify the file name like output pdf.pdf. okay, and how you want to display this PDF within browser. So we want to display this PDF within browser, so I will use here I option. So here this I parameter will send this PDF to browser and display it within the browser. So friends, our simple PHP script is ready, which will create one PDF file and which will add this text within that file. So let's try to execute this code. I will save this file and I will open browser, and here I will type localhost / PDF example.php. Now you can see friends, we got the output. So in PDF we got text hello PDF demo with bold, italic, underline effect. Like this we can add text within our PDF. Okay, suppose you want to add some more text, simply copy this and paste on next line. Now change the coordinates of X and Y, let's say 250, and here I will write another text. Okay, if I refresh now, you can see we got another text. Like this we can add text within our PDF. You can also add links to this text. So whenever you will click on this text, it will open some website, some URL. Okay, now next I will try to show you how you can apply color to your text. So for applying color to text, we need to use a function called set text color. So here I will try to add color. So again I will use same object and I will call function set text color. Now friends, this requires three values RGB. Okay, so some random value I will try to specify. Okay, and let's try to see what color we will get for this text. You can see we got the colored text in the output. Like this we can use this set text color function for setting color to text. Now friends, we can set color to both of this text differently. So here I will paste this function again and I will change these values. So we will get different color for this another text. Okay, now you can see we got two different text with two different colors. Okay, like this we can add color to our PDF. Now friends, I will try to show you, if you change this I to D, then it will forcefully download the PDF within browser. So if I go and refresh, you can see the PDF got downloaded here. Like this you can control the behavior of PDF. Okay, so you can decide whether you want to just display it or you want to forcefully download it. So you can specify here I or D. Okay. Friends, in this way you can create simple PDF file within PHP. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you next video. Thank you for watching.